All right, so here is your leveling assembly new video, since apparently the other one didn't really represent what we wanted this thing to be able to do. So first off, in Onshape, you'll have all your pieces down here at the bottom. All your separate pieces that you're going to create will all be open at the same time. If we're unfamiliar with Onshape or just need a refresher, you are going to have a screw that's going to need to be threaded. Okay, and your assembly will just be another tab. We can insert or add new parts down here. Okay, and what needs to happen here is the base should be anchored. This piece should have limits on it and should move back and forth. As you see, this one is limited in how much I can move it. Okay, it is stuck on here. It's got a slider mate on here. Okay, and this one is completely centered. If you look at my distances here, it's the same here as it is over here. Okay, it also has a slider on it that allows it to go back and forth. This one goes up and down. Sorry, not back and forth. This one here is going to go from left to right, and this one's going to move up and down along this angle, slide on this angle. They use this for heavy equipment, machinery, appliances. They put this under the feet of them, and then to get them level, they use these types of little devices using an Allen wrench or an Allen key in here to make sure whatever it is, usually like big CNC machines or heavy machinery, is level. So this one just goes up and down. What I suggest you do is align all these centers as you see right here. Because it doesn't matter then what happens to these. This moves back and forth and you actually can't even see because I'm perfectly on top that the dark gray one is moving up and down. Okay, but I assure you it is. Okay, that's just how centered all of those um, all those center lines of these two pieces are. Okay, of this one here and this one down here. Okay, and also what needs to happen is as you turn this screw, okay, because it is threaded, all right, this thing should turn. Now it's not going to turn all the way because it's based on the uh, angle that we sit at. But as you can see, as this thing spins back and forth, it moves up and down, and that's what we are looking for. Okay, so this is a completed leveling assembly. Remember, we can't put oh, and this should stay in place back here. Probably have I think I have a planer mate back on here on this one, so it stays here as well. But I don't think you'll need it if you have these centers aligned. Uh, you can see we got that one there. This one here. If we want to do a little bit of cheating, see there's that slide over there. I remember that one not being easy to get. This slide right here on this edge. Then we got a cylindrical on here with our key. Then we've got a planer back here to keep this in place over here. Then our screw mate is applied over here, you can see. All right. Remember, you can't do materials, even though it says materials on the appearance. You can assign materials to it, but it won't even change the way it looks. So what I do is I give the parts different colors based on what the material is. So if you could do that, that would be probably good. But this one here, this would be an example of what an A plus would look like.